Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix audio problems in a Zoom meeting. This is important for keeping communication clear and avoiding interruptions during your course. Let's get started. On your Zoom dashboard, if you are in a meeting and experiencing audio issues, here is how to fix them. When you join and notice an audio problem, the first thing to check is the volume on your computer. Make sure the volume is turned up. If it is muted, simply turn it on. Next, check the microphone access. If it is denied, you just need to allow it. You can check in your browser that your microphone is working, and you can also unmute it to test. If you see a green indicator, it means the microphone is working. If not, you can unmute to refresh the connection. We can also fix this by clicking the up arrow to adjust the settings. From here, we can choose the audio device. If it is set to default, we can keep it that way. If we are using an external device, we can select that instead. We can also adjust the speaker settings and check the microphone options to make sure everything is working correctly. Let's go to audio settings. Here, we can test the microphone and also test the speakers. We can also adjust background noise removal from here. We can review all audio settings and test everything to confirm it is working. If the problem continues, the last thing to try is refreshing the browser by clicking refresh. This will reload everything before the meeting starts, so we can check if the issue is resolved. Once refreshed, the audio should be working properly. These steps will help us identify and fix common audio issues in Zoom, such as no sound, a microphone not working, or poor audio quality. And that is how we fix audio problems in Zoom meetings. With these simple steps, we can enjoy clearer and smoother conversations.